All right, so this is an another custom coding inside the Go High Level using the JavaScript. Okay, so this time it is a little bit different. So the problem it's solved is simple. Let's say you are a big agency and you hand over the GHL sub account to your clients. New clients come in, you just hand over the sub account to them and they run their business on it, right? So, as a new client, it is very hard to find the sections or the specific things that you want to load into your sub account. So, what I have done is that when you click on this search, so basically, first I hide the native search pop up of GHL, right? And then I added a code basically when you click on it, and this beautiful search pop-up appears, right? So this is fully custom made pop-up. And the best thing is, let's say you want to search for the conversations, right? So when you start typing, it real time give you the search results. It will say, okay, in the conversation tab, you have a conversation, you have an analytics, and you have a settings as well. This is for testing purpose. Like for now, I just added for the conversation tabs basically all the sublinks you can search for. So let's say you want to search for the snippets, right? So what you will do is you will just search snippets and it will tell you actually what is the parent tab of it, that is the conversation, and the subchild, which is like snippets. So for now, I just added it for the conversation, but we can do it for every sidebar item, right? For the appointment list view, for the calendars and all that stuff. And actually, this is super helpful for a new user that come in and they don't know where to look for the thing, right? So this pop-up exactly solve this problem